You notice something missing here? Yeah, it's gone.
Let's go for a ride. You are watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today. Continue to leave video suggestions, but you may find what you're looking for by visiting my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab My Videos. And those are a bunch of playlists with all of my videos categorized in them to make it easier for you to navigate through.
Yes, my 2017 Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 factory is gone. And I'm glad it's gone, man. It's been gone since last week and I don't want it to ever come back because I don't want to have to deal with the problems again, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get a Japanese bike instead, dude. No, I'm just kidding, man. It's at the shop and actually the work has been completed. And I'm waiting for Aprilia to approve of the warranty work, man. I don't know what's taking so long. But the problem with the bike was the ECU map had to be updated. They had to redo the self-learn codes, and the battery terminals were loose, as some of you guys mentioned. And it only took 1 hour of labor at a fee of $95.27 that I'm waiting for Aprilia to pay for. And they better pay for it, because I didn't do anything wrong. But I'll be picking it up soon, and I'll be doing another should I say it'd be a second ride review. Because the first ride threw me a curveball and I had all those problems, as you guys know. If you haven't seen the video, I'll include the link in the description and comment section of this video.
Oh no, come on. Come on, baby, get me home. Get me home.
I hope I don't have any more problems, man. You know what I'm saying? I did research before I bought the bike. You know, I always do with my bikes. You know, some people said they had problems, but you can go and look for any model bike, even the Japanese bikes, and you're going to see people, there's going to be some people complaining about some problems. You know, even the older 2008 CBR 1000 RR, it had oil burning issues, which it was a first year model. And I think the 2009s, they also said had oil burning issues. Hell, they even said my 2012 had oil burning issues, but this bike has not burned one drop of oil. I've had no issues. I don't even check the oil level anymore, man. That's how confident I am in this bike. This is one of the most reliable motorcycles next to the WR250R, which is ultra reliable as well. My YZ, man, sometimes that don't want to start up right away. It starts up every time, but sometimes it like to hesitate. But there's some adjustments I need to make to the bike. But that bike is just ultra raw.
Oh shit!
That's just straight up raw dirt bike, which that's my favorite bike in the garage still. That thing is absolutely amazing. I can't wait to get that bike out, baby. Can't wait to get it to the dirt track as soon as the weather gets better, man. And the park's open. I'm taking it to the MX track, baby, and proper trails. Proper. And by the way, I found a secret trail that is absolutely amazing. I hiked it, and I'm going to take my WR250R on it, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, the Aprilia will be here soon. I'll do a slew of videos on them. By the time I get done with that bike, you're going to know everything about that bike like I did with these bikes. The YZ, I still got to do some videos on that bike. I'm still learning that bike. But, yeah, I can't wait to ride the Aprilia, man. I tell you, the bike had a lot of power.
We got power. Oh, we got power. Oh, we got power, guys. Oh, man.
You guys are right, man. That V4 felt amazing. It does have character. The inline 4 is just butter smooth and there's really no character to it. It's still fun, but that Tuono, that V4, I can understand why you guys hoot and holler about the V4 and it's praised because it really does have some character, and I can't wait to put a pipe on there to get some proper sounds out of it. And I don't know if I'm going to wait a while, though, because I want to make sure that the bike is all right before I do any type of modding to the bike. Because I don't want the bike to end up like it did the other time and me be stranded somewhere, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to probably wait a couple of weeks before I throw a pipe on there And but if I have any more problems with the bike, guys, I'm making the dealer buy that bike back. Otherwise, I'm gonna put the dealer on blast in a video and tell them exactly what happened, the facts, you know. And you guys are gonna know who that dealer is and the name of the salesperson. So they better just hope that this bike comes back okay, because I can exercise the lemon law if there's a second problem. So, and everything is 100% documented. So I better not have any more problems. But anyways, guys, stay tuned. I got some great videos coming up. Make sure to subscribe to my All-in-One Motorcycle channel. Hit that subscribe button, guys. And for those of you guys that want to get my gear, you know, my camo pants, my boots, my gloves, jackets, all my stuff, I always include links in the description and comment section of my videos. Or go to my website at CycleCruza.com and click on the menu tab, My Gear, and that's links to all my stuff.
Hit thumbs up, check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.